everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. We're near the end of August, so that means that summer is slowly coming to an end and fall is right around the corner, which I'm very excited about because I love fall. But for today's video, I want to show you how to make a very simple and delicious, of course, caprese sandwich made with a lot of yummy ingredients. So if you want to stick around to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I do have a second channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. So if you can head on over there and subscribe to that, I would really appreciate the support. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I really love cherry tomatoes. They're so sweet and delicious and they're perfect for this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse off around 2 cups of tomatoes, and then I'm going to move it over and put them in a medium-sized bowl and just give them a little look over just to make sure that all is well, and just grab a knife and just split each one in half. Then once you're done, you're going to put the tomatoes in a baking dish, and I'm going to drizzle around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, a half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes for a little heat, and a half a teaspoon of sea salt and black pepper. And just take a spoon and mix everything together, and let me tell you, everything smells amazing as is. So I'm just going to go ahead. I've already preheated the oven at 375 degrees, and I'm going to let this bake for 25 to 30 minutes. So while the tomatoes are in the oven, I have a loaf of sourdough bread, and I'm going to take a knife and just split it right down the middle. And now I'm just going to take some butter and spread it on both sides of the bread. Now if you want your sandwich to be really crunchy and delicious, I went ahead and I heated my grill, and I'm going to toast one side of the bread. And while that's cooking, I'm going to take some olive oil and lightly brush the other side of the bread. And after 4 to 5 minutes of toasting, I'm going to flip each side, and I'm going to let this go for another 4 to 5 minutes or until the bread is golden brown. Now once your bread is nice and toasted, just take it off the heat and let's start building a sandwich. Hey guys, welcome to April Time, my new channel here on YouTube, and this is just my cozy corner of all things lifestyle. So join me as I share my love of simple everyday joys, from whipping up delicious home-cooked meals to my favorite skincare rituals that keeps me glowing. And the reason for this channel is just to share some productive days in my life and some really quick simple recipes. So hit subscribe and let's spend time together. So after 30 minutes of roasting in the oven, my tomatoes are done bursting with flavor. Okay, so for my caprese sandwich, I'm going to start off by spreading some pesto sauce on both sides of the bread. Now I'm ready to add those delicious roasted tomatoes on one side of the bread, preferably the bottom side of the bread. Now I'm going to take some burrata cheese, and I'm going to take one and spread it on top of the roasted tomatoes. And it's good to leave it out for a couple of hours just so that it will be easier to spread. And I also have some fresh peppery arugula, and I'm going to go ahead and add that to the other side of the bread. Now drizzling some glazed balsamic vinegar will add a delicious tangy flavor to your sandwich. And I'm going to pluck some fresh basil leaves on top. And then you want to add the other slice of bread. And once everything is secured, you want to grab a knife and just slice it in half. I mean, this caprese sandwich is packed with so many delicious flavors. A perfect sandwich you can enjoy for the end of the summer. And we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody that you know. Follow me on April Time here on YouTube. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.